to talk about File Manager and keeping your files organized so number one, you can find them, and number two, you don't run out of space. Now this machine will hold a lot of designs internally. Of course, you can use the USB stick to load designs from your computer, but just go ahead and start by touching the File Manager, the folder at the top of the screen. And then these are all the areas. These are my designs, so things that I have been doing for the videos here. If you've used the Quick Font software, which is a free software that you download from Husqvarna Viking's website, you can create fonts from all the lettering. The fonts in your computer can be translated into sewing machine, I should say embroidery fonts. They're going to be in this folder for retrieving them. My files here, so things that you've saved, and then also too the built-in designs. And you'll notice that as you wait, they do come up. And sometimes too, instead of looking for a file because maybe you have them saved 3 different ways, maybe a small one, a medium, and a large one, you can also come up here to List View. This will let you find the file by its name or number. So sometimes that's easier when you're doing a lot of the design collections where they have like A, B, and C, D, and those are all different sizes of the same file. It also will show you the extension because some of you will notice you can actually save quite a few different file formats, different embroidery formats, not all of them, but majority of them, and that will also put the little file extension on there. And then down here will be for finding designs that you have on the USB stick. If I touch and hold, then that will bring up those designs, and if they're embroidery designs, they will show as designs, or again, I can look at them through the view. So something I can do here too is I can load multiple designs at the same time. So if I just select like all 3 of these, they all will bounce in to the embroidery layout area where I can then move them around and combine them as needed. So it's nice, I don't have to get one, then come back and get the second one. I can just get all 3. They're showing down here at the screen and then touch OK and bring them in. To deselect them, just touch them again as you work. You also could go ahead and copy something or cut. So here is your cut, here is your copy, just like a computer. So if I wanted to copy this and then save it in my designs, this clipboard here is paste. And so what I'll do is bring that design over, and now I have it saved in my machine. So things that you might use often and you're bringing from your computer on over, those are things that you can do there. So those are just the basics. And remember, you can connect your computer via the USB cable that came with your machine and connected where the USB device is, and the cable will transfer designs as well to your machine. So super easy. You find what works best for you. But again, as you come in here, if I want to delete something, I also have the trash can where I can say delete the files. So keep your folders nice and clean when you're done with them. You can go ahead and erase them, and then keeping it really easy so you can find what you need and do it quickly.